What is up, ice fishing freaks? Luke Racer here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to another ice fishing adventure today, and got Wells with me.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back.
Wells hasn't been here since, when's the last time you were on the channel?
Before COVID, March.
Right
when, yes.
Oh yeah, when
SMALLIE SMACKDOwn.
Yeah, SMALLIE SMACKDOwn.
Yep, it's been a while.
He put a clinic on the Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors Pimp and Crest Liner. Catching bass in the wintertime. We'll link that video down below if you want to see Wells putting a beat down on me and Brian. Check that video out, it was crazy. But yeah, anyways, we're out here on the backwaters of the Mississippi River today, and I don't know if you know this, but we're going to search for some bluegills today. Kind of been a theme we've been doing lately. But anyways, we're hoping to get on maybe some crappie too, and whatever bites. But we're going to be jigging, got the shocker rods with us today, got the tickle sticks, got Drastic Plastics, some new stuff that just got sent to me. And we're just gonna go fishing. So stay tuned. Launch hunting starts right now. Here we go, first drop, baby.
Nice one. Sure. Not sure if it's an eater, but either.
Fish.
Man, they're biting pretty good though.
That's number 3. Luke hasn't got one.
There he is. There he is. All tangled up. First fish of the day, about a 7-inch bluegill. There he is. He's little. Oh. Is it on?
No. I'm putting the record button. Yes, sir. Shocker ice rods. First fish. If I can get the hook out of his mouth. Shocker ice rods. Recommend. Highly recommend.
There we go. Yep. A little bigger, but
Yep. Look at that one. Oh. The old magic.
Yeah.
there he is. Not a big one, but we're gonna flay him out. There we go. Feels a little better. I don't know if he will be or not. Oh yeah. Don't flop, buddy. Oh yeah, that's a dandy. He's not that long. He's tall.
Hold it out a little bit further.
Yeah. Piece of plywood. We'll call him 4x8.
Oh, I just caught a big one. Oh, there's a big bluegill.
There you go. That's a good one.
That's a good one there. I think it's one Luke just lost. I ran this way.
Probably.
Of course, the little ones come in no problem. There he is. Feels a little better. Not giant, but he'll flay up. There he is. That's him too. Yep, that's why it was a big mark. You betcha. Right in the top of the Nergan.
There's a good one. That's a bass. Yeah. It's the only time of year I don't like catching them. You're good.
There he is. Oh, feels good. Oh yeah. That's a tank. Oh. Look at that guy. He's all bulged out in the middle of his body. He's got a tumor. I better eat him. That's what we're looking for, folks, today. Big, thick, tall bluegills, the backwaters of the Mississippi River. Shocker custom ice rods. Doesn't get any better than that. Sammy's for days. There we go. Ooh, that's gonna eat good. You betcha. Another chunk. All day, every day. There he is. Giant. There he is. You betcha. Another bass. Old Billy. Old Billy ate the schnozberry jig. Bye-bye. There we go. No, it's a gill. First gill on the bone bug. All right, not a big one, but he hit the old bone bugger. I'm wrapping up Dawson in my line. That's a wrap, folks. We're done here on the river. We're gonna head back. Not too bad of a day, but it was a little slow compared to.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Compared to the last time I was here, it's pretty slow, but not too bad. Would we end up with about 20 keepers?
Yeah, 20 keepers, nice gills, 1 crappie.
Wells lost a donkey at the hole.
Yep, lost a nice crappie. Usually how it goes.
They were really finicky today. Most of our bites came on waxworms. Is that what you were using?
Yep, had a waxworm too. Yep.
Okay. I did catch a couple on the bone bug by Drastic Plastics, but I think they're just so finicky right now. They were just wanting that live bait. So the shocker really put them on the ice for me today. Love that thing.
It was a good day. Nice weather.
If you haven't seen this yet, Gooch got a little makeover. We got them all leathered up. We got room here yet though. We got to put some shocker ice rods right here and maybe some Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors stickers down here. I don't know yet. We're still deciding what we're gonna do, but Gooch is getting pimped out this year. If you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell to get notified every time we put out a new video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke, Wells, and Dawson signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.